Welcome back to another vlog, guys. We're headed to Porsche after dark. It's an event that happens from like 7 to 10 p.m. Today's happening at Porsche of Oakville, but we got Mr. Biker.
Hey guys.
And we got the M4. So we're gonna take the M4 convertible to the Porsche event. So a little bit of, you know, switching it up. All right. This car with the top down is like, yo, the rigidity goes down a bit, so like it's meant for more so cruising, and then when you want the rigidity of the M4, I find that I like it better with the top up. That's what I found with this car. I don't know, it feels very like I'm in comfort mode right now, so it's gonna feel like that, but it feels very different. And also it's very smoky because of the wildfire.
Yeah, it is. It was actually a lot more smoky when I was coming over the border today.
Yeah.
The guy is on too much pump today. There are Porsches and Porsches everywhere. No, it's till 9. I don't think so they're gonna close it.
Look at the crowd, yo.
Yeah.
Social media पे आयो भाई.
The wolf ball ended up in the ditch.
There's a blue M4 in the ditch.
The reel gone viral.
100% it would go viral. Lovely. Thank you very much, guys. Now we are actually at the event where we're supposed to be. I have no idea how we managed to steal this parking spot, but I'm gonna take it and go. Should we leave the tops down or?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. This is a Porsche owner telling me to leave the top down. No, done deal. So, as I was telling Mr. Biker, all the M3 guys and the M4 guys, they all stem to Porsches after. So this is a very common, you know, trend. But manual, red interior.
Love the wheels.
Yeah, the wheels are so nice. I like it because they're not black wheels. So yeah,
you know, like
yeah, I don't know what color. I don't know. It looks like an OEM color. Looks beautiful. We got the actual Porsche guy doing the Porsche stroll.
Actual Porsche
Welcome.
parking the lot. I'm parking all the way there.
See, the M4 guy got the close parking right there,
I know,
right?
man.
Just letting you know, it's M-Luck.
I'm gonna sell the car. I'm gonna buy a C63 and an M4 and a motorcycle if I don't know how to ride.
C63 is getting downpipes tonight.
Oh man.
Or today. And I got something fun coming for y'all.
Is it a car?
Yeah. Okay. So this is a Porsche after dark event. That sounds nice. This is a GT3 PDK. This is you can tell this is the 0.2 because of these little air ducts here. So 991.2. Very clean car. Very nicely done. Looks like stock and OEM, not touched, so it's pretty good. Carbon 992. Yeah, it's wide, right? Super wide, man. You can't, on camera, you can't tell with these cars. That's the problem with Turbo S. Is it Turbo S? Yes, 911 Turbo S. That's a nice color on a GT4 RS. That's definitely a paint to sample color right there. I think the dealership's open inside too. Gengar? Gengar? What does that mean? Oh, this is a nice car right here. Wow. God damn. That is nicely done right there. I love the taste. I love the fact that people are going back to like the chrome and the satin finishes, because the blacks are kind of like, they eat up the shape of the wheel, and they eat up sort of like the, you could say, face of the wheel. So it's hard to tell at night or even when the car's rolling how black rims are looking. E3 RS. Oh my god. Wow, this is a dream right here, yo. These are $1 million cars, bro.
Color.
Yeah, look at the color on this. I don't know if you guys can capture it on camera. Oh my god, bro. That is crazy. Wow. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
That thing's definitely PPF'd or never driven, because, bro, there's not a single paint chip on that thing. GT3 RS. Wow. God damn. Classic right here. Wow.
As in now it's in Edmonton.
Shouldn't have sold it, man.
Oh, I can still get it back anytime.
Oh, nice. Look at this, yo. Look at this color, GT4 RS. That's a nice livery. White on silver. It's probably paint too. That's nice. And it's convertible. It's a convertible too. Nice. That's beautiful. Oh, that's a nice Turbo S. I just realized if somebody does crash, they're gonna crash into the M4.
Yeah. Because that's on a perfect spot right now.
That's why nobody parked there. Well, it's okay, buddy. It's okay. Oh, this is nice too, right here. Yeah. That's my type of style right there. Don't make noise if you don't have to. So guys, we've become car spotters now. We've changed occupations. I hear something nice. Oh my god!
Full-time car spotters.
Full-time car spotters. Full-time meaning between 7 and 9 p.m. and maybe on the weekend on a Sunday morning, right? Oh, E92 M3 rolling out. Let's see which way this guy goes. I think he's gonna go our way because we're pointing the camera. Yeah, buddy! Woo! Woo! That actually sounds badass, yeah. V8, baby! And that must be his girlfriend or a relative in the back. That's nice too. Yeah. Okay, very good. This guy finally found parking. Yeah, sounds nice right there. Woo! Woo! So I hear that you're liking Porsches a little bit more these days. Man went from Viper to, oh, Porsches are pretty nice. R8. He's kind of at the wrong meat, but it's okay. That's all right. We'll forgive him. I'm an R8 owner too for now. So.
Ex-R8 owner.
Ex-R8 owner. I forgot. If you guys watch it up to this point, I bought a new car, which I'll reveal after. Oh, that guy's leaving. The drop top guy is leaving.
Yeah, I think or he's gonna launch. Why?
I'm dissatisfied. Burnout? No. Launch? No. He got scared halfway. I thought he was gonna hit my car.
Bro, you have good insurance payout.
Oh, I forgot to turn the light on. Like we look a little bit lighter now, bro. Yeah! Woo!
That sounds nice.
America! The car spotters are running. We're gonna run too. Yeah.
$1 million car, bro.
We definitely gotta run. Which way is he going? Which way is he going? This way, this way, this way. Yeah. Woo! What did he do? No, he didn't even accelerate, bro. Not gonna lie, he almost stalled it. And then I thought he kind of stalled it, so I turned the camera off, and the next thing you know, he took off.
You shouldn't have turned the camera.
Sorry guys, this car spotting thing is new to me. He didn't even know what was happening. It's okay. We'll be alright.
I'm just here for the moral support.
Moral support, the camera turned off. These guys are probably not gonna make much noise, so we'll leave it at that. There is a C63 that's coming, so maybe he might be making some noise. This guy is turning in, I guess. Oh, that guy launched it right. that guy launched it right to the end. He almost rear-ended the other one, electric car owners. Come on, man. Oh, C63 is leaving. That's that right there. I told you the car's gonna be maniac, bro. Well, I wasn't lying. Alright, so this is a GT4. I think it's not an RS, so it's just a regular GT4 leaving. Very nice. This is a 991.2 leaving. So let's see if this guy has some sort of exhaust. That is why, my friends, you do not get a manual and you get a PDK. Did you see the shifts? Did you see the shifts?
Nah, I still prefer manual.
Yeah, a manual, you'd be like, right? The PDK, right? Oh, this is nice too. I like these, bro. Very, I don't know, is this a, yeah, it's a Hellcat, yeah. No, it's a Demon. It's a Demon? No, I don't think they made a Demon in 4-door, bro.
Is it a Demon? Or
no, it's just a Hellcat. Yeah, SRT Hellcat. They only made Demons in the 2-doors. Oh. Yeah. So I love the ones with the wider fenders though. Those do the trick for me. No, I don't. I wouldn't know, because sometimes owners up badge them. Like this is kind of confusing me right here. Like the vents, I don't know if these are stock, but it does look like a.
Doesn't look like these are functioning vents.
Yeah, I don't know. The car, if it is a Demon. I mean, you guys comment, like, if this is a real Demon.
It's a scat pack.
Is it? And just up badge?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's a scat pack.
I don't know. Anyways, let's get back to the Porsche meet. Alright. With the little 360 camera thing on the back. We were just discussing like the difference between a 992 GT3 and a GT3 RS. And basically you see like how that has a hydraulic system. So that operates the wing. The GT3 that we were just checking, you have to adjust it manually. So I guess this is why the price of these cars a little bit more than the GT3. And then this is the no wing. Oh, this is a Heritage.
Yeah.
So
911 Sports.
Yeah, Sports Classic. If you have time ever, check the price of a Sports Classic online, and you're gonna be mind-boggling, bro. Yeah, I'm so serious. But right here is the cream. The crop right here, bro. This is the exact type of setup I would do on if I had a car like this.
With the golden,
yeah,
like that finish.
Yeah. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. We are leaving right now because cars are not really rolling out too fast. They're rolling out one by one, and it just makes no sense to stand much longer. We gotta get home and stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. There's a few more cars that have just come here. I mean, people are coming and going. It is a night event, but it's almost done. So I think they're just waiting for that line to end at the food. Once the food line is done, then people are gonna make moves. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. There's me and Maple Biker over here. You know, just fun shenanigans, bringing you along. Porsche True North after dark event. And yeah, guys, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And the R8's leaving. We'll get a little clip of the R8 leaving, and yeah, and we got some special stuff planned. That's all I'm gonna say.
Soon.
You guys are probably gonna see this video after. No, actually, you know what? I'll leave it at that. Okay, bye. See the shifts?